Hi, today's video is going to be about face mask for hyperpigmentation, skin discoloration, skin lightening, skin brightening. So we're going to be using turmeric and licorice root. Those are going to be our two main things that we're going to be using along with rice flour. Okay, so, and don't forget your free ebook in the link below. Remember to get your free ebook, Herbal. It's about healing herbs that heal your body, all herbal stuff. So let's get into this video and get started. Okay, so the first ingredient that we have is rice flour. This is a tablespoon. Rice flour is great for brightening your skin. It enhances collagen production, improves elasticity, and it has tons of nutrients in it for lightening, fighting acne scars, fine lines, and dark spots. So let's add this in here. The next ingredient that we're going to be using is licorice root, tried and true, well known for skin lightening, skin brightening, and hyperpigmentation. It's great for sensitive skin. It doesn't steal moisture from the skin. It controls oil production, antiviral, anti-inflammatory, and antimicrobial. And here's our other one, turmeric, tried and true, also well known for skin lightening, skin brightening, antibacterial, reduces redness from blemishes, combats acne, skin lightening properties. Turmeric is basically a one-stop shop. Mix that up a little bit. And the next thing we're going to use is rose water. Now, when you're doing this mask, you want to make it as thick as you want it. So there's no specific amount of rose water to add to it. And you can use distilled water. If you don't have rose water, you can use distilled water. But I'm just making this the way I like my mask to be, okay? So rose water, we know that it's renowned for its healing properties. It's a humectant, anti-inflammatory, and it's just great for skin all the way around. It's a wonderful, wonderful herb for the skin. Okay, now I have honey over here, and this is half of a teaspoon, and use raw organic honey. And if you have it, Manuka honey is best. So we're just going to scrape this in here. And this mask can also be added to a scrub. You can fix this mask and set it in the refrigerator, and when you get ready to make your scrub, you can make a skin lightening, skin brightening scrub using these exact same ingredients. Just add it to your scrub. You can add sugar to this instead of making it a mask, and just make it a scrub. And if you like this video, please like and subscribe to my channel, and please do not forget your Herbal free ebook, because it has some amazing herbs in there to heal the body.